Welcome, it's an LG K52 and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key. From there, select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, and you will hold it till you see the LG logo appear on the screen, at which point you will let go of the power key and then start holding it again. So let's do it right now. Power, volume down. LG appears, let go, start holding again. And there we go. Now this recovery mode here is literally the most bare bone you can get. So the only option here is factory data reset, and it automatically opts into it. And to select that you want to confirm, you will use a volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now I don't really want to do factory reset, so I'm just going to select a no, and this will also exit the recovery mode. So let's give it a moment. And there we go, as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.